Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at a Xiaomi 12 Lite. Yeah, for that let me tell you first, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. So just scroll down right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, then you're having here the control center, and the part of the control center is always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings, and in front of it you will have a gray icon with 3 white points in it. And now you will need the second point, languages and input. And now you will need the first point, languages. Okay, now we are there where we want to be. So now you choose your language. Now, sometimes you have also some local dialects here. So choose the one you want to have. Let's keep going on in English here with the dialect from the United States. Go on the blue button to confirm. Okay. And then your phone is, or in my case now, the phone is in English with the dialect of the United States. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this with this video, of course, and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.